What do you got there, bud?
Rip off.
Yeah.
Rip off.
Rip it off. A little at a time. Into tiny little pieces.
Ooh, I know what that is.
Jonah, is that a book?
Yeah.
Wow.
Rip it off.
Rip it off. What kind of book is it?
Thomas.
It is Thomas.
I'll read it.
Yes, we can read it.
Jonah, read it.
Yes.
How about rip it off.
Did Nana wrap it really well?
Jonah, rip it off.
Jonah can rip it off. Good.
Yes, indeed. Yes, and yes, indeed. Here. But here, ouch, here.
Good job, Jonah. Do you want to open some of the other presents, Jonah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Annalise can help you find them. You erased them?
Yeah.
What's inside this present? Another present, yes.
Yes, indeed. I'll rip it off. Ooh, I know what that is.
It's giant. It's giant.
Choo-choo train, Jonah.
Ooh. Are those more tracks for your choo-choo train?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nice. And you rip it off. Now you can make the biggest track ever.
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
Jonah.
Back to the book.
There you go.
Here's another present. Annalise will keep you on track here.
I'll open it. What is that? A baby clothes.
I think it's a shirt for Jonah. Ooh, are those shirts for Jonah?
Ooh, and a tie. I want a tie.
You can wear that to church tomorrow.
Yeah. Jonah, open this present. It's really heavy. Let me help you unwrap it. No! No!
He said no, Emily.
Sorry, that was a pretty clear answer. Thank you for being such a good helper
No! No!
then. Jonah.
Leave it!
Leave it.
It's Jonah's birthday, isn't
Leave it alone,
it?
huh?
Okay, Jonah, you rip it off.
Let's see it, bud.
Let's see. Where is that thing? No! I'll do it!
It's my party and I'll cry if I want to.
Annalise, don't let him do it.
I know.
I know you're excited.
Jonah, go ahead.
Jonah,
Can you open
it?
it? Can Jonah open it? There you go.
Oh, another train? What? Another train. Another train.
Wow, can I see it, Jonah?
Yeah.
Wow,
Another train.
Ooh.
that's pretty fancy.
Another train.
Should we put it?
Open it?
Should we put it all together?
Yeah. Look, scissors.
Look at some scissors. Hey, Jonah, can you say thank you to Nana? Say thank you, Nana. Jonah.
Open it.
Jonah, can you say thank you,
Thank you.
Nana?
Nana.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look right here, buddy. Trying to get my train open now.
Yes. Open it.
Okay, we'll open it, bud.
Yes.